Morning one and all. How's everyone doing? As you can tell by the horrible bedhead that I've got, just woke up. This month's canteen, damn it, cast iron cooking challenge is eggs. But I thought to kick things off, I would just show you my regular every morning breakfast, because why not? Kind of breaks it up a little bit, not always doing the same thing. Plus I didn't get a chance to research what I was going to make, so here we are. First I like to go with one English muffin. I prefer the sourdough ones, but to each their own. I like bacon for breakfast. Alright, so I'm doing bacon, but I'm also doing ham as well. I just bought this yesterday. I'll mix it up. Sometimes I'll do bacon, sometimes I'll do ham, whatever. I get the sucker open. So it's 4 slices. 3 slices. And because the packaging is often not resealable, I'll just throw it in a flip top bag. Alright. I'll then take my ham. And a little bit of unsalted butter. Turn that on. I would do 2 eggs. Having tongs for your bacon turning is much nicer than using a fork. Mainly because I can just grab it versus trying to navigate and pick it up. I just like it better. Cook your bacon till it's desired doneness. That looks good. Fill the burner. Might surprise you, but I don't typically keep my bacon grease. I should, but I usually don't. All this is, it's a dollar store loaf pan, and I just put a empty can in there, and a couple paper towels on the bottom just to hold the grease. Alright, we got 2 beaten eggs. Right in the pan. I like black pepper. This is a silicone spatula. I got it at Winco. They don't melt in the heat as like a regular spatula does, so I like to use them. scramble your eggs till desired doneness. Some people like them well done, some people like them soft, just up to you. Okay. Of course, if you want to add, onions, green peppers, and all that, you can. The mango muffin all toasted up. Eggs are looking good. Sweet. And I will immediately put a little cheese on my eggs. Not a ton, but some. And then I like salsa on my eggs. Alright, good. Put the bacon on. A little Texas Pete hot sauce. Almost forgot. I like to do a glass of OJ. I get the 50% less sugar with no pulp. There we go. There we go. Pretty simple. Not complicated. Of course, bacon. Almost didn't eat. Alright, so it wasn't cast iron cooking, but it was still delicious. As always, I thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.